wabarakatuh. My name is FAIRUZ, BINTI Chair of FAUZE, and I will explain about the definition and the issue of the ESG development. So first of all, the ESG development, it is known as environmental, social and governance that is set of standards in the company's operation to the development. So for the environmental, it is for the use of energy, and while the social is for the relationship between the company, suppliers, and also employees, suppliers, and also the customers. And for the last one is about the governance. It is for leadership between the companies. Next, we will talk about the issues due to the pandemic COVID-19 that make more people staying at home and working from home. As ESG property development become new norm, influence for the designs and spacious home for health, cleanliness and protection for future quality of life. Thank you.
Development nowadays promotes innovation ecosystem that are rising up to take into account more complex factors such as local strength, transport, infrastructure, housing, and also the culture. The trends in property development nowadays that match with the ESG. Well-planned township, first of all, is to be able to offer distinctive township that meet with the lifestyle needs and aspiration of their target market. Consists of improved accessibility, mainly MRT interchange and highway, also with the complete nearby amenities such as education, recreation, transit, healthcare, retail, and also entertainment. So another new trends of property development nowadays consists of superior design and distinctive features. So more development nowadays offers modern design such as modern streets era design and modern contemporary design as shown in the graphic. So this development consists of beautiful maze garden, linear parks and waterways for aesthetic pleasure for the residents. And other new trends is by creating green spaces and community parks, also emphasizing on security. So this innovative flexi space concept for residents' peace of mind as it provides security and privacy for residents. Another new trend of property development nowadays, in case the developer propose mixed development with the commercial and industrial market, business space and parks as one is the newest trend of mixed development. For example, Eco Galleria and Johor Premier Outlet by Iskandar, Malaysia, is by combining their business outlet and entertainment parks in a place so they can attract more visitors to the development to achieve their target profit.
Assalamualaikum, my name is about the concepts of property development in the new era. So our concept that we are choosing is ESG. ESG is environmental, social and governance. The reasons why we choose ESG concept because it's ESG linked to the rising trend in the environmental, social and governance agenda for sustainability and mitigations of climate change. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it can be highlighted the importance of conducive environments and living space for all. So as ESG has become a very good driver for property development, the new norms of working and staying at homes has also influenced design for safe and spacious homes. ESG also gives an impact to the community. ESG aside from fostering eco-friendly building also allow space to include consideration about the impact of properties on the community, covering aspects like diversity. The real estate industry must respond to this challenge by taking opportunity to social impact investing like multi-tenant shared speech. That's all coming.
Example of ESG development in residential market area. The Smart City KL and Majestic City and others are the example of the aspect of well-planned township. Next, the example in superior design is Seri Tanjung Pinang and Eco Secretary in Kota Kemuning. For distinctive features, the example is Bandar Melayu Kota Kemuning, Setia Eco Park in Shah Alam and others. Next, for green spaces and community parks, the example is LCC Park in KL, Eco Botanic in Iskandar, Bamboo Playhouse in KL. The example of emergence of security is Eco Academy Iskandar, Malaysia, the streets view residents in Iskandar, Malaysia, and also Eco Majestic in Malaysia. The last example of memorable buying experience is in BSG Property in Penang, and also Forest City in Iskandar, Malaysia. Space and parks as well is Design Village Penang and Johor Premium Outlet. The example in commercial market